guys, I'm Shalini and today I'm going to be showing you a super easy 5-step tutorial to achieve a voluminous ponytail. Now I know the struggle is real, especially for girls with thin hair, but these surefire tips and tricks are really going to save you from a wimpy ponytail in a jiffy. So let's get started. And in case you guys are new to the Bebeautiful channel, do not forget to bash that subscribe button right now. Begin with a voluminous poof. Backcomb the poof slightly. Twist it towards the front and secure it. Add a serum to your poof to smoothen out any baby hair. It's okay if it's not too neat right now because the ponytail will cover it. Take the rest of the hair into a high ponytail and secure it using a sturdy cotton rubber band. Add a claw clip in the center of the ponytail by splitting it into 2 halves. Take a bobby pin through the rubber band and into the lower side of the ponytail. This will keep it perky and firm all day, giving an illusion of a fuller ponytail. Add a sea salt texturizing spray after pinning. Once this is done, take your tongs or straightener and add waves or curls into your ponytail. This will make the ponytail look fluffier and bigger. And lastly, scrunch your ponytail to make it look bouncy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do try these tricks out. I am very sure these would work wonders for you. And if you try them out, do let me know which one worked for you in the comment section below. Like, share and subscribe to Be Beautiful and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!